Have you tried dried pineapple? It's like candy without the added sugar, and it's actually super easy to make at home. You can use fresh, canned, or frozen pineapple, which is what I'm doing because I'm on a mission to clear out my freezer.
Step one is get rid of those ice crystals. Just rinse them off in a colander. No need to thaw the fruit. It will dry a little bit faster if it is, but it's fine if it's still frozen. Cut them to uniform size pieces. Put them on a dehydrator tray, nice and evenly spaced, into the dehydrator at 135 Fahrenheit or 57 degrees Celsius. And here I am checking them at about 6 hours, and notice there's still moisture in the center. And then here at 8 hours, it's looking much better, a little translucent and dry throughout.
Even the thick spots are dry and leathery. Next stage, and that is conditioning. Conditioning means you simply put your fruit in a jar, and for the next 7 days, you observe what happens in that jar. You give it a shake, you look and make sure that there's no signs of moisture. Keep it in an airtight, dark, dry, cool area, and your fruit will be good to go for a year or more, although there's no way it's going to last that long.